How to sign in on Inshorts app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign in on Inshort app. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So in this video, let's get started. Let me just click here and then I'm gonna show you how you can sign up. So here this type of interface will be there. So what you need to do guys, here you have to just, you can see here, you have to just swipe on the right side of your screen, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So to sign in on this, you have to simply click on this settings on the top left of your screen, and then here you will find an option, sign in option. So if you want to sign in with Facebook, you have to click on Facebook. If you want to sign in with your Google account, click here, Twitter, and your phone number. So let me just go for Facebook. So let me just click on Facebook, and here you can see sign in with Facebook. So if you want to go for Google, Gmail account here, Twitter, and phone number. So let me just go for Facebook right now. So it will redirect to you on the Facebook page, and you have to click on OK. Here you can see continue as my name, and then it will automatically connect it linked with the account. So this is my profile. You can see this is how you can sign in with your Inshorts account. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.